Behind every WeatherTech product, there's an American dream at work. From the raw materials that compose industry-leading solutions to the hardworking Americans we employ, our commitment to USA Made is everywhere. You see, at WeatherTech, we aren't focused on bringing jobs back to the USA because we never left. Armed with our USA Made vision, advanced manufacturing practices, and an eye toward sustainability, our experts skillfully create a constant pipeline of successful aftermarket solutions. These include laser-measured, custom-fit products that are designed to precisely fit makes and models of vehicles going back decades. We invest in world-class customer service and marketing that has earned us a spot as more than just a brand, but as a household name in the eyes of consumers. As a name that's often imitated, but never replicated. As the ones leading the charge. As a name that makes their everyday a little bit easier. And we do all of this every single day, right here on American soil.